What's happening? What's happening on this beautiful, beautiful Friday, New Year's Eve? As you can see, I'm out here in the garage. I don't plan on being out here long. I just want to get old blurred lines fired up today, but as you can see, we got troubles. We got troubles. We got major troubles. Nah, no major troubles. She just won't start. Battery dead. Been sitting here for a while. Of course, last year, this thing sat here through the winter and had to jump it to get it started. And I ran all winter, all summer with it. Actually, I went all summer with it. And thought I was going to have to change the battery, but I didn't. Didn't have to change the battery. So it charged up. I was able to drive it all summer. But now, battery dead. So I thought I would take the old Chrysler, your old handy dandy Chrysler, and I would jump it off just to let it run for a while, because it hasn't been running in a while. So yeah, we're gonna jump it off here with the Chrysler and just let it warm up for a little while, because it hasn't been running since I parked it. I don't even know how long it's been sitting, but I know the battery's dead. So we're gonna see if we can't give it that old cold start, because if you know anything about a cold start, today this is gonna be a cold start, because this Michiana weather right here. Oh, that's that booster up there. All right, let's see what we get. We might just get a click, click, click. I don't know. We just got a click. Tell you, this baby, she dead. She dead. Let me get me a better connection. Oh yeah, I heard a drain. I heard the draw just then. But yeah, I know of a certainty. We're gonna be putting a new battery in this come spring. I'm gonna go ahead. You see, I even got a booster. I even got a booster up here. I'm gonna kick it on. I got them jumper cables on. Let's see if we can't get this thing fired up. Yes, sir. That's that cold start. Now that right there, that's a cold start. No matter how you look at it, you don't get no colder than that. Now you got to break out the jump box. I've been wanting to start this thing up for a while. Just hadn't. Woo, what y'all know about that? Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Woo, she breathing. Go ahead and disconnect these jumpers. she's good and warmed up. Shut her down. Woo. How's it doing? Tell you, that's a cold start for you. That's a cold start right there for you. To be able to crank it up every now and then. Hey, she cold. She definitely cold. She definitely cold. Ooh, I missed going out playing with that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, I done put my factories back on. Yes, indeedy. Yes, indeedy. Shut that completely. Better, because that light might be on inside. And whatever this battery gets, a little juice it does get in it, it'll just kill it. Sitting there with that light on. Yes, sir, 6.4 liter. Time to get somebody started. Is it really an SRT? Boy, you get so much controversy on Facebook. Is it an SRT? Is it just a scat pack? Is it just you get people started anytime you say anything about SRT dealing with a 392 scat pack. Well, I tell you, it don't bother me none. I don't care if y'all consider it SRT. I don't care what y'all consider. I know one thing. You get up and go down the road. So y'all call it what you want to call it. Yes, sir. Just don't call it slow. Well, of course, it is slow to some things. It might be slow to this over here. This dirt. It might be slow to that going down the quarter mile when I get done playing with it. But as far as cars manufactured today, some are fast, some are not so fast. But to each his own, speed kills. I'm just trying to live my best life. All right, I'm gonna let this thing run for a little while, let it warm up real good before I shut it down. Just gonna let it run just for a little while before we shut it down. Tips is looking juicy. Oh yes. Looking real juicy and moist. This whole back end I got looking like it's moist. thing is it is a little chilly out here. So, I'm gonna shut this thing down. I'm gonna shut this off. This was just a little quick pick. Just thought we'd crank up old Blurred Lines for today. Cause she was cold. She was a little chilly sitting out here all by herself. So, we're gonna get her cover back up. Get her cover right back up. And we'll come back at you a little later on with another video. Ooh, what we got sitting here? Oh, this brother got the beats off. Yes, sir. No need letting them sit there getting flat spots. Even though she is sitting on carpet. Gravity is gravity. Weight is weight. Still gonna leave a flat spot. I don't care if you're sitting on cotton. You're gonna leave flat spots. All right. We're gonna see if we can't get this thing covered back up. One more last look at it before I go in the crib. Oh, yes. Yes, indeedy. And we'll come back at you with another video. Real quick, fast, and in a hurry. If this was your first time coming to the channel, welcome to the channel. And for all you guys out there, guys, gals, have a safe, blessed New Year's. There's going to be a lot of crazy out on the road this evening, tonight. Be safe out there. And hopefully we'll see you real soon in 2022. With all that being said, 392 Blurred Lines coming at you. Peace out.